Are you a crafter who has so many supplies you literally could be your own craft store? Do you find yourself buying duplicates because you either can't find your supplies or you don't remember that you even had them? Where is that die? I swear I had that. Do I have that one? Stop! Stop the craziness, I swear. Oh my gosh. In this video, I'm going to share with you the organization system that I've been using for a couple of years now, and it's called AirTable. In this video, I'm going to be sharing what AirTable is and give you an overview of how I use it. But make sure you click on the bell and subscribe to my channel because I will have some in-depth tutorials on how to set it up and share my analytical, critical thinking processes. It's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection, and welcome to my channel. So if you watched my how to store large dies, you may have heard me referring to Airtable as a way of me organizing and preventing myself from purchasing duplicates of the same thing. Airtable is a cloud database, much like Excel on Microsoft Office 365, but with bells and whistles. I just want to take you in here because I'm sure you guys are interested. I like to use it for putting together cards and trying to figure out what I have, as well as making sure I'm not getting ready to purchase something by mistake. So I want to show you in the inks and markers. So I have all of my alcohol inks already in here, and they are the field name is actually the name of the of the alcohol ink, and then I have an image here. So if I click on the image, then you can see that I made a swatch of that. Okay, and it's very helpful. I don't have to swatch it again to kind of figure out which colors I want to put together. Okay, and you can add multiple pictures in there as well. If you don't have the pictures, you can add the URL link, and it will the image from the URL link will pop up there. I have the category color. I like to categorize all my colors into the color wheel. If I wanted to filter this and only see my pink alcohol inks and which ones I had, all I have to do is add a filter, and then I'm going to say I want the color category, and I want pink. And there is all of my pinks. With the distress inks, he has so many different kinds of different mediums in the same name. So here I did a spreadsheet that said, okay, this is all the names of every single color that Tim Holtz has, and as I get them, I go, oh, okay, I have the ink pad. Oh, I have the oxide ink pad. I have the embossing glaze. No, I don't have the ink spray. Oh, I have the ink refills. Okay, so this helps me because after a while, you hear tumble glass, and you can't remember if you had the embossing glaze or if you have the regular embossing powder of it. Or whatever. Okay, so that's really helpful. I want to show you my other Airtable, and this is my craft inventory. I love my craft inventory because I can keep track of all of my embossing folders and all my dies. So these are all my dies here. Okay, but take a look at this. You can change the way it looks. Now, I like it like this, but let's just say I'm only focused on Anna Griffin, Okay, I'm going to filter this on manufacturer and that, and then we'll say Anna. Okay, so now I'm focused on Anna, and let's just say I actually want this to look different. You can do a different view, and now it's in the Kanban and it's pretty awesome. So all the dies are here, and you can just, see every single one just like this. Because the database is on the cloud, it automatically syncs to your devices. This is really helpful when I'm away from my craft room and I'm at a store like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, or maybe I'm at work and there's a sale. I can easily find what I have and determine if I need to purchase it. My Airtable also comes in very handy when I am doing project planning and I'm trying to figure out which colors I want to use. By using filters, I'm able to see any kind of category. By customizing my columns field type to multiple options, I can use the filter function to sort specific options. What you're seeing here is I want to filter to see all of my pink inks. Airtable has done an amazing job at making the functionalities so easy to use on any devices. And I love that I can add and update records at any time, anywhere, even the doctor's office, while waiting to be seen. I have found Airtable to be considerably helpful in finding things like embellishments. Because I add photos of embellishment bundles which contain many different types of themes, I'm able to see everything in the bundle box without even having to open it. To learn how I did this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when that video tutorial will be released. I hope you have enjoyed this overview of Airtable and how I use it. There are so many functionalities that I have not talked about, and I look forward to sharing them with you in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And don't forget, if you want to be notified of the latest videos, please click on the bell.